Welcome to day 12 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we have a seated yoga practice, so all poses will be done seated. This is one of the practices that you can even do without a yoga mat. Let's begin in a cross-legged seat. Straighten the spine, sit up nice and tall. Release your hands to the sides or to your knees. And roll your shoulders back a few times. Release your shoulders down, away from the ears. Drop your chin to the chest and make a few circles with your head. Just moving at your own pace, looking for the areas that might be a little tense or tight. You can do half circles or full circles in one direction and then another. Bring your head back to center. With inhale, stretch your arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the right. Look back over your right shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Extend your arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left. Look back. Inhale, back to center, arms extend long. Exhale, twist to the right, a little deeper. And one more inhale in center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, back to center, arms reach up. Exhale, side bend to the right, left arm reaches over the head. Take a big breath in, rotate your chest to the ceiling. With exhale, sweep your left arm forward to the other side. Inhale, right arm reaches over the head in side bend, roll your chest to the sky. And exhale, sweep your arm to the other side. Inhale to open the chest. And exhale to curl the spine down, come to the other side, move with your breath. Simple intuitive movement here to wake up the spine, the upper body. With your next breath, come back to center. Place your hands on the knees and begin to circle your torso to the side, forward, to the other side and back. Again, very intuitive movement. You can even close your eyes and just notice what you feel as you move. Notice if you want to make your circles bigger or smaller, lean more forward or back. Keep your shoulders stable or take them along with you as you circle. Switch direction if you didn't yet. Move to the other side. And slowly return back to center. Sit up tall. Straighten your right leg out to the side. Draw your left heel in towards your groin. Keep your sit bones grounded on the mat. Place right hand on your right ankle and reach your left arm up and over the head into side bend. You can also bend your left elbow, place your hand behind the head if that gives you a better stretch. Few deep breaths into the rib cage, expanding the ribs on the inhale, drawing the ribs in on the exhale. Lift your torso up, release your left hand behind you and press your hips up, reach your right arm back overhead. Just a breath here. In and out. Release your hips down. Bring your right leg out in front of you. Place your left foot flat on the mat. And for a twist, hug your left knee with your right arm. Twist to the left fingertips behind you on the floor, and the gaze goes back over your left shoulder. You can stay here, or for a deeper twist, hook your right elbow to the outside of your left knee. Still breathing deeply into the rib cage. Slowly untwist. Open your left knee out. Left foot on the inside of right thigh. With inhale, lift your chest up, sit up tall. And exhale, bend forward to your straight leg or more to the inside of the leg. You can just see what feels better in your body. Breathe deeply into the back of the body. Expanding the back ribs a bit more as you inhale. And with exhale, softening the upper body down towards your leg. Slowly lift your torso and switch sides. Extend your left leg to the side, draw your right heel in towards the groin. Hold your left ankle with your left hand. Reach your arm up and over the head. Or bend the elbow and place your right hand behind your head. Deep breaths into the right side of the body. One more big inhale. And exhale. Come back to center. Place your right hand down behind you and press your hips up. Left arm reaches back. One breath here. And release your hips back to the mat. Bring your left leg to center out in front of you. Right foot flat on the mat for a twist. Hug your right leg with your left arm. Twist and look back over your right shoulder. Or if you did a deeper twist on the other side, hook your left elbow to the outside of the knee. Take one more deep breath. And return back to center. Open your right knee. On the inhale, lengthen the spine, lift your chest. And with exhale, fold forward. Hands on the floor or catch your foot, ankle, shin. Breathe. Slowly lift your torso and straighten both of your legs out. For a hip stretch, place your left foot underneath your right knee, right foot in front of your left knee. The shins are crossed, not just the ankles. When you look down, the shins are almost parallel. And you can see a triangle out of your inner thighs and shins. Lengthen your chest up and slowly walk your hands forward to lean over your legs. You can stay up on your hands or lower down to the forearms. Find a stretch around your hips, inner or outer thighs. The spine can round, you can let your head hang heavy. Few breaths here, softening the whole body towards the floor. Consciously releasing tension from the areas where you feel restriction in this position. Slowly come up, straighten the legs and switch sides. Bring your right foot under your left knee, left foot in front of your right knee. Flex your feet, sit up tall, lengthen the spine as you inhale and fold forward as you exhale. Find a stretch on this side, maybe it's the same, maybe a little different on this side. Again, you can let the spine round, let your head hang heavy towards the floor. Focus on the exhale, softening your body towards the floor. Slowly come back up to seated. Cross your legs any comfortable way. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. And open the eyes to finish this practice. I hope you enjoyed day 12 of your Everyday Yoga Challenge. Let me know in the comments if you did. And I will see you tomorrow for day 13. Bye!